This illustration deals with confined or enclosed workspace in accordance with 130.8F. Now, when we want to obtain more information on confined spaces, see OSHA 1910.146. Now, notice as in the call out, we have an energized part with section and page. First priority is to recognize these hazards and try to eliminate them in some way or protect ourselves in some way. Again, this is same section. You have a section and a page number. If we review now the note 1, then 110.5H on page 16 talks about hazards and how we should look for them. GFCI protection, ground fault protection of equipment, C70 Article 100 on page 12. We picked that up. Now, notice this person is in a confined space, so they're looking for any electrical hazard, any grounded thing they could touch to make a touch connection. And then also, how about step, where you would have liquid, as you see on the floor here. It's a hazardous condition, as well as the electrical up here. So basically, then this illustration is just warning that we're in a confined space. Evaluate the hazards. See how we're going to avoid them or protect ourselves from them as electricians, maintenance electricians, when we're servicing or working on equipment. Now notice the purpose of change. This section has been renumbered and relocated as well as being revised to warn workers to apply techniques to protect against electrical hazards. Now, that's basically what this illustration is trying to get over. When you enter these confined spaces, and we've already reviewed the many types, just be sure that the electrical hazards are either eliminated or you've provided a margin of protection while you work in these areas.